Seeing the WhatsApp is temporarily unavailable error on your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the WhatsApp is temporarily unavailable issue on your iPhone. Let's dive in. Before doing anything else, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. Try airplane mode on and off. After trying these basic things, if your issue is still alive, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check Down Detector. First, open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box and type Down Detector without any space. Tap on the first link. Then tap on the search icon from the top right corner. Now search WhatsApp. Next, tap WhatsApp from here. Then scroll down. Here you can see that the official WhatsApp app is down or not. If not, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp cache. First, open up the Settings app. After that, tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage. Find the WhatsApp app. Tap on it. Now tap on the Offload app. Again, tap the Offload app to confirm it. Next, tap Reinstall it. Solution 3. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings, tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting network, go ahead, check whether your problem is solved or not. I hope this helps. If you found the video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.